Good morning. Viet Tom. Good morning, everyone. Tom, aka Nooster Thomas. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. My blood pressure has been high, man. I feel like crap. All right. I don't have a doctor's appointment for 15 days. Had a boom boom this morning. Still a little bit. I'm heavy with the TMI this morning. I'll just stop. Let's fix this blurriness. Add a little light on the seventh day. Tom said, "Let there be light." Yeah, not bad. Let's see. We can get much better picture than that. Oh, all right. JT at the gym. Hell yeah, brother. I don't see anyone in the house right now. Ooh. We have a situ. Oh, I see a couple of you. We have a situation going on. Bitcoin's crashing. When's it gonna stop? The good news, we have ice. Bitcoin's crashing, but the ice machine is still working. All right, let's pop on over. So Tasty had technical difficulties this AM. That was annoying. Show cut off right about as Vanetta Logan was ending the news. Are we live? Welcome to the Rumble. We got fun and games. We had someone talking Rumble yesterday. That doesn't happen very often. See a lot of red on the board. Gosh darn it. Windows aren't playing friendly. Alrighty. Coinbase down 12 bucks. You think we're up big on this trade yet? Oh shit, son. Oh shit, son. All I do is win. Well, I'm winning on that trade, but my nose itches. When I itch my nose, someone accused me of picking my nose the other day in the comments. That wasn't very nice. All right. Yeah, we're up $465. That is almost 50%. I'm going to close this at 50%. We might fill it now. Let's see. Limit out. It's at $1.25. Adrian in the house. How you doing, brother? Nice pullback on the altcoins. DC. Yeah, we're going to talk about it. I got some secrets about Bitcoin and the cycles that you definitely want to hear. That's going to be a subject that we discussed today. All right, E-mini S&P down 10. I think Papa Powell and rate cuts are tomorrow. Is that what's on the agenda? Slurf. Everyone's been talking about, is this the right Slurf? I thought it was spelled with an E. Slurf. Yeah, it is spelled with an E. Meme coins making all these meme coins. Man with BO. Ugh. This guy that launched this was in the emergency room last night. I wonder how he's doing. Maybe we'll get an update on Twitter. All right. Little bitch needs to go to the emergency room. I'm like, I got one foot in the grave. I ain't going to the emergency room. All right, Bitcoin 63.5. It did dip all the way down to 62.4. Is this the bottom? Is this the bottom of this pullback? I think 56 and 52 are on tap. We'll discuss that in a bit. Let's see. No, whatchamacallits. Why is there no flags? There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Building permits. Building permits. I thought Papa Powell talked this week. Fed press conference. That is tomorrow. Interest rate decision tomorrow. Ooh. Is tomorrow going to be a big one, boys and girls? When do they announce that? At like 1 o'clock? It says 11. I think that's PST my time. Maybe it's 11 EST. Does it happen at 8 PST? I don't remember. Maybe it does happen early in the morning. Early in the morning. All right, that's my time. I don't got shit else to talk about. I think I'm joking. My title's a rug pull. I don't have secret information about shit. Now I have some information we can cover. It don't mean it might mean something. It might not mean something. Just because it happened in the past doesn't mean it's gonna happen again. All right. Come on, Coinbase. Maybe I should just take the profits now. Maybe this is the bottom. I don't think it is. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't think this is the bottom. Is this a buy the dip opportunity? Probably not financial advice. Is the dip, is the opportunity going to get better? Maybe. Look, I don't know how many times I got to tell you. I don't know how many times I got to tell you. I bought the dip here. I was buying the dip actually here. Like here. And I was early. Or maybe it was here. I think it was here. It was right around here and I was early. Here I was early. It got back. I thought it was okay. Nope. And then finally, it's been a long road. I didn't time it perfectly. I knew it was the bear market though. I knew it was a lot closer to the bottom than the top, and I knew we were going to see the top again. Now we're a lot closer to the top than the bottom. How much higher above the top are we going to go? We'll cover that a little bit today. You feel like the bottom might be somewhere in the mid to high 50s? I think it might be somewhere between the mid and low 50s. And you like them apples. All right, anything else over here we want to look at? Come on, Coinbase. Trying to have a little bounce. Is it a dead cat bounce or is it a bouncy bounce? Is it a bouncy house? All right, Tesla down 240, but over 170. Time to get back into Tesla? I don't know. Big day tomorrow. Maybe. Are they going to rate cut tomorrow? I always remember this thing being somewhat of a pain in the ass to read. All right. Current range is 525 to 550. So 99% chance of no change tomorrow. 1% chance they cut. You know what that's based upon? The bonds. Bonds go down, rates go up. Bonds are at 118. Which one are we on? ZVM4? I guess this one. March. Yeah. Why won't it go to it? Gosh darn it. We can look at TLT, I guess. I mean, basically where it was in December. It just been steady sideways. Way down, way down, way. Matthew in the house. How you doing, brother? Brother. How you doing, brother? Trying to do my snap into it. No, that was terrible. Snap, brother. Snap it. I'm trying to, brother, snap into a Slim Jim. That was terrible. I'm the world's greatest impressionist. Let's see how CNTs are doing today. I don't want to. I'd rather not look. Cardano's 61 cents. It's not terrible, actually. It's not terrible. AGX down 7%. World Mobile Token down 12. SNEC down 12 to 0.00149. IAG at down 15. Ew, this is a bloodbath. Copi down 11. Swap down 8, but I'm still like break even up. NTX down 11. Book down 4. Not bad at 0.037. Book's still cooking, bros. Book is still freaking cooking. It's a solid project. Indy down 10. Linfi, no one gives a shit. IUSD 77.5 cents. Rejuve down 12. Might be time to load the boat on some of these AI plays. It might be time to load the boat. Sunday swap down 10. Hosky down 10. How's Hosky doing? We never look at that. That's a long-standing meme coin. Boring ass meme coin. I don't even. You could have bought this in the dip and made 50%. Oh, that's just like in the last week. Let's see. You could have bought this in this. They did like a halving, right? Didn't they have a halving that caused it to go up 300%? But now you're currently only up 78. Bitcoin dominance, no one cares. Bitcoin Cash, of course, it's down. Bitcoin market cap 1.24, total market cap 2.31. You think Charles mentioned it? You think he mentioned what? Hosky? Or mentioned? Well, I mean, he's mentioned it before, but I'm pretty sure they had a halving. I don't know what that means. Ethereum 3200, 3300. That one's been a brutal pullback, I guess. I mean, it was 2200 in January. 2 months ago, it was 2200. What are people freaking out about? ADA, the second most boring asset in crypto. What's the number one, you ask? Oh, that'd be XRP. Just another Matic Monday down. Yeah, look at this. Everything's down, bro. I'm getting destroyed in TIA. TIA's been a disappointment. I'm actually down in TIA. I think it's the only coin I'm down money in. DYM's down, but I got that shit for free. I got that because of TIA, so maybe I'm break even in TIA just with the staking and the free DYM. Tia, Stack's holding up pretty good. It's actually up 5%. What the F? Doesn't make a lot of sense. Say what you want. Only down 1%. Are we bouncing? Do you hear the Deb burned $10 million of LP? Yeah, I forget the token. We talked, there was a tweet about it. I think we talked about it yesterday. Must have been yesterday. I forget Slurp or some shit was, I forget what the coin was. I don't know what the end result was either. Solana, a lot of people are Cardano people. Go figure. A lot of the Cardano Kool-Aid sippers are calling for a Luna-like collapse in Solana. I mean, it's possible. The only reason Solana is doing what it's doing, well, I wouldn't say the only reason. It's fast. I hear they have a lot of failed transactions. I don't know if that's true or not. I don't think I've ever had a failed transaction. I don't interact with it a lot. But the meme coins is a big reason. I mean, the meme coins, but it shows, the pro is it shows how easy it is to set up a project, how fast it is, how easy it is to get people over there, how easy it is to get people onboarded, how easy it is to get people from 0 to 100, from bank account to buying a meme coin on Solana. There's a few steps. You gotta get a wallet. You gotta send money. It takes a little bit, but it's way easier than Cardano for the most part. I guess Cardano's the same, but it's more of a pain in the ass. You can only send Cardano. And the wallets can be a little bit. Lace is pretty decent, but. And then if you want to use a hardware wallet, shit gets really ugly on Cardano. You think it was Slurp? Yeah, I thought it was Slurp, but Slurp is trading. Does that just mean the people didn't get their pre-sale and the coin's still trading? I don't. Because we looked at Slurp right off the bat. BitBoy promoted Slurp. Like, Slurp is trading. You listen to the space, he didn't sound convincing. Yeah, so I don't understand. I don't know the full story. It reeks of lies. Clown car of lies. Skid, this is the one Les was talking about. I mean, if we would have gotten this yesterday, I don't remember where it was when we looked at it. Guess we could do this and figure it out. We'd be up almost 100x. I wonder if he bought some. Wait, that was March 18th. Yeah, it was down here, bro. We'd be up at 2x. Where's Velez at? He's probably going to come in bragging how he's up big. Oh, it was you? It wasn't Velez? Yeah. I bought this gem instead. I only bought $100 worth. It was a stupid buy. It was a dumb buy. Every now and then I make a dumb buy just to keep myself grounded. Picking, like, don't try and act like you're some genius that's made a lot of money off meme coins. It's probably hit or miss. Are you up overall on meme coins? Down overall? Are you telling yourself the truth? How much time in your life is wasted on meme coins for how much you're up? I would need to make $1 million for it to be worth the time. You're up on meme coins? Sure. How much are you up and how much time invested? Probably spend 20 hours a day and you're up 50 bucks. It's Andy Reid's birthday. Holy shit. It's my dad's birthday today too. I gotta call him and say happy birthday. Have to tell him he has the same birthday as Andy Reid. The only big buy is snack. And I'm buying small amounts of Snell. The F is Snell. Is that on Cardano? Bitcoin will retrace deep enough to convince you the bull market is over, and then it will resume its uptrend. Do I follow this guy? Because he's got a few tweets we're going to cover today. I need to follow him. I don't know if he's any good. He has a company called Erect Capital. He sells a course, technical analysis, Bitcoin investing. Link to my course down below. All you got to do is hit the prescribe button. It's free 90 free, bitch. All right, what's Bitcoin going to do? Let's take a look at some of these guys' posts. There's some bangers. In one day, Bitcoin will officially enter the danger zone, orange, where historical pre-halving retraces have begun. So this is a date. Historically, Bitcoin has performed pre-halving retraces 14 to 28 days before halving. What day is the expected day of the halving? Thought it was 420. It's like 30 days away. It's now projected on April 17th. So that would be 28, 29. Yep, right there, bro. 28 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, or 29 days out. Danger zone. In 2020, the retrace was 20% deep and began 14 days before the halving. This retrace lasted only a few days, but preceded an over 150-day reaccumulation period before Bitcoin broke out. So that would have been around May 2020. Yeah, this also had, May of 2020. And that's when it happened. The retrace period, what did he say, was only 11%? This was short-lived, 11%. And then it went sideways for about 80 days, about 3 months. Currently, whoops. We're early to the retrace. We're also early to the all-time high. So does any of this mean anything? I think we hit 11% already. Is this it? We've already hit 15%. And we're early. We're early to the halving. Was this the retrace right here? Are we figuring something out ahead of time? Here's the retrace right here. No. There wasn't really a reaccumulation right here, but there's no real retrace. Is this time truly different? Retrace right here, and then reaccumulation? No. Is all this just a waste of time looking at? I'm poking holes all over this theory. In 2016, it was 48% deep, blah, 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 blah. That retrace lasted 8 weeks before Bitcoin went blah, 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 blah. Yep. After investigating that, I don't put much into it. When could Bitcoin peak this bull market? Well, I didn't like your last chart. Let's see what I think of this one. Historically, Bitcoin has peaked in its bull market 518 to 546 days after the halving, chart 1. What is halving, chart 1? Oh, those are 2 charts? Halving was May 20, peaked 546 days later. So this says Monday, April 15th for the halving, will peak September 2025. So that's a date to kind of keep in mind. However, Bitcoin is showing clear signs of acceleration by approximately 260. Ricky in the house. How you doing, brother? Sales on Cardano still has a 72,000 market cap. Is it on trading? I've looked at this one before. Is it on Tap Tools? Doesn't seem to have caught any real momentum. It's been out since January. Why would you continue to buy this stuck pig? So if we measure bull market peaks, blah, from all-time high, then it suggests Bitcoin would perform a bull market top 266 to 315 days later from the moment it broke its old all-time high. So the clock's ticking on this one. Tick, tick, tick. Time's running out. What's that guy say? The guy from Hackers that was on Dexter, he's like, something about his watch. What was it, like season 5, and it had what's her face in it? That was my favorite season, but a lot of people didn't like it. Bitcoin, blah, blah, 2 weeks ago, blah, blah. It'll peak. That's December 2024 to February 2025. That is definitely on my radar. Bitcoin's clocking like 120,000 at the end of 2024. I think that could be the top. But I also think this time can be different. I'm probably not going to sell my Bitcoin. I might sell some, but I'm kind of leaning towards just not selling my Bitcoin and selling my alts until my hands bleed. Speaking of selling, has my Coinbase calls hit yet? Oh yeah, baby. How does daddy do it? We just pulled in, I don't know, like $500 profit. Lowered my cost basis by 25 cents. Man, that's not much. Or is it 25 bucks? What's 100? Is it 25 bucks or is it 25 cents? It would have been like $2.50. I lowered my cost basis because I only did half of them. Or it would have been $5, bro, because I got $1,000. No, a buck. I lowered my cost basis by a buck, maybe 50 cents. I don't know. I lowered my cost basis by 50 cents, or maybe $5. I don't know. Someone do the math for me. I'm off the rails. This is hurting my brain. I made $500. Does this math work? 500 divided by 1, 2. Yeah, I lowered it by 50 cents, bitch. I paid 67. I paid $68.77 for my Coinbase. And I just lowered it by 50 cents. So I paid $68.27. Yay. I do that a couple hundred more times and my Coinbase is free. Do we load back up? Because that was pretty painful. 59 days out, we go to 400. Ooh. This doesn't seem like a bad trade based on what we're looking at from Rec Capital and how there's going to be an accumulation period. But this time can be different. I'm not going to do that again. That was not a lot of fun, to be honest with you. I know it's the right play. It's the right trade. I should do all 100,000 shares. Get $3,000 in credit. What would that be? $3? I can lower my cost basis by $3. And as long as Coinbase doesn't, shit, 350 plus. As long as Coinbase, 5% chance of being 400 or higher. I'm kind of tempted to do this. That's $2,000 on 5. Do we load back up? Well, I can tell you if I do it, Bitcoin will immediately start skyrocketing and put me in pain again. This is the smart move. How many do I have? 5? Get a $1,700 credit and reduce my cost basis by $1.70. But I would sell for half 50% profit, so it'd only be 80 cents. Trying to make $1 out of 80 cents. Isn't that how the Tupac song goes? You guys aren't very chatty today. I mean, Matthew was chatting it up for a bit. Is anyone even here? Maybe I just end the stream. 4 people in the house, 3 likes. Guys bringing that big dick like energy today. Ugh. Yeah, I don't. No, I just want to. I'm not gonna. I'm losing over here probably. I'm actually up $10 on this trade. I'm gonna take this off. Just get out of the trade for now. Basically break even. See what kind of money we're working with. We got $1,300 cash. I've been scratching and crawling over here. This was a couple $100 a couple months ago. Just been trading options, and we built myself a nice little $1,300 cash position. You can do a little damage with that. CleanSpark 15. What did I do? Oh, that was a put. That was a cash secured put. I'm looking to put another cash secured put on. I'm just like, why 31 days out? We want to go 59 days out. I don't have enough. I'd like to get one of these bad boys, but I don't have enough buying power. Oh, wait, maybe I do on this. No, it's going to be just short. I do have enough. Let's go in the money. Yeah, because, okay, so wait, I have $1,300. I'm selling a $16 put, in the money put, which would be $16 times 100 would be $1,600 of buying power, but I'm getting 400 in credit, which would make my buying power 1,200, 1,201 plus, and I have $1,300. I might get away with 17. Boom. 59 days to go. I'm gonna go over here and roll. I'm gonna go and close for profit. Try and pull in another 200 bucks. We're just gonna let that cook. I'm gonna cook. I'm cooking, and we're gonna let that cook. All right, Bitcoin chilling at 63. Getting pretty boring over here. Getting ready for the next wave down. All right, we just looked at. So that's gonna top out possibly November. November, December. All right. I did a lot of these. Since November 22 bear market bottom, Bitcoin has offered 4 retraces that were barely over 20% deep. February 23, April, July, but this is current Paul Blackley wave, only the 5th major retrace. So there were 4 in 2022, and this is the 5th. Don't squander this chance. Especially if we're lucky for it to retrace deeper than 20%. All right. I guess. I think you had one more. This one any good? CryptoCon has one we're going to look at. Phases. There's way too much. Oh, yeah. This talks about the reaccumulation and the halving and blah, blah, blah. History has found ways to repeat itself. Yeah, of course. There's going to be patterns, dude. None of it means shit. And it might mean a little. It might mean something. Might not. $367 followers. Be sure to follow me on Nostradamus. I can't remember the last time I tweeted. Oh. Oh. Do I have a gallbladder problem? I've been gassed up, boys. The Pi Cycle top is the most. I wonder if the Fairlife protein shakes or what. Anyway, the Pi Cycle top is the most popular Bitcoin cycle top calling. Yep. It was 1 day off from the top in April 2021 and between 1 to 3 days for every top before it. There was another top in 2021 after April. So this one's kind of weird. Isn't this somewhat invalidated? They're calling April the top. Some people call April the top, but it actually went higher in November. See, it's higher. April. 65,000. November, 69,000. So this is weird. So that's going to end in 2024. Or we don't. Oh no, he's talking about. But before that cross can happen, price needs to stay above the 350 DMA times 2, priced at 70,400 and increasing. So something needs to cross. The 111 DMA needs to cross the 350 DMA times 2. What does D stand for? Dick moving average? I don't know what a D. Dynamic? Displaced moving average. The displaced moving average. Jason in his house. So this thing hasn't crossed yet. What happens when it crosses? It crossed? No. I don't know. Oh, when it... Oh, when it touches. That's the top. So if it stays above 70,000, that's the top. I mean, it's displacing. This is an important one I'm watching. Price. $2021. There's a lot of gap there still. It rode it for a while. It rode it up for a while. So the second it touches doesn't mean it's the end. Like it happened here and then rode it for a while. The top, was it 17,000? The top happened January, quite some time after. This chart doesn't make a lot of sense. Happened here, here's the top. 63,000. And then it went higher again, so I don't know. Maybe I'm not going to read too much into this. I mean, it's going to be on my mind, I guess. The more I look at these charts, the more confused I get. Charting's a waste of time. All this shit's a waste of time, guys. Buy when there's blood in the streets and sell when people are euphoric. Why is Brandon Ayuk trending? Brandon Ayuk going to the Steelers would be interesting, man. The Steelers are getting pretty stacked. They got Justin Fields, Russell Wilson, a couple good wide receivers, Mike Williams. Mike Williams went to Chicago. Chicago's looking with Caleb Williams could be interesting. They picked up a really good defensive player. The Steelers lost at least one of their wide receivers. Ayuk is. If I was Ayuk, I would not want to go to the Steelers. Good coach over there, though. I'll give him that. All right, that's all I got. Those were the. Let's see what I learned about Bitcoin that you must know. Crash related. I didn't learn jack shit, guys. I thought I was going to learn something, and I thought I learned something because I read these last night, and I'm like, oh, this is interesting. But then I analyzed it, and I'm just like, whatever. They're doing a receiver. Oh, that's messed up. They got George Kittle, but they don't. Travis Kelce probably don't got time for that shit. Devontae Adams, Justin Jeff, George Kittle's awesome. So that should be interesting. I only watched the first episode of the quarterback one, and it's got Mahomes in it. $1.7 million join X every day. How many people leave? Bitcoin is almost down 15%. All right, this guy's starting to annoy me. He tweets too much. Cardano will flip Solana. Remember this. This Alexander Legalis is an asshat. I hope Mikey gets a payday. Who is this? Mikey who? I don't recognize this person. I don't know every person's name and what they look like on the Chiefs. Sorry, I'm not that. I don't sit there and analyze football that hard. That's Nick Allegretti. I know him. I think that's, no, wait. That's George Karlaftis. I didn't believe in, Alex Schmecker has found God. He's found religion. He's been moved. He's been moved by the Spirit, people. I didn't believe in God till I saw blatant demonic Satanism, evil, and Oh, this is probably a Cardano joke. No, apparently this is some real. Have hope. Okay, that was a weird tweet, bro. 2,200 people 300 people retweeted that. I would give it a thumbs down if I could. Stupid ass tweet. I'm selling my soul and going all in, Ada. I don't believe you. A short story of 1 million of Solana pre-sale now being refunded. The best all-around corner in the NFL is we don't know that. Oh. He likely is staying in Kansas City, which I'm not going to complain about. This play right here is this was the AFC Championship. If this play don't happen, we don't go to the Super Bowl. And we don't win the Super Bowl, most likely. Zay Flowers was scoring a touchdown, and it was going to make it very difficult for us to win the game.
Could determine the whole game right here.
Sneak! Bloop! Right there. Bloop!
It's out.
Who has played as at the...
He played probably a career season. I don't know if he'll be able to repeat.
Highest level this entire season, Jim. Snead has defended the other team's best receiver.
This is a call that could determine the whole game right here.
Snead.
Bloop.
It's out.
I'm sure that was ref rig, right, Ricky? That was the refs. The refs gave him the fumble when it shouldn't have been. Or Snead was being held. Right? Is this the dump before the pump? I don't know, bro. It's probably going to be a reaccumulation period, a dump, maybe a little bit of a pump. It might get boring for a while just because you come in late. Oh, shit, we're dumping again. Holy shit. I would play the air horns and all that, but I should have waited. I could have got a better trade on my clean spark. I should have held my Coinbase. I could have made more money on them bitches. Yep, here we go. They're going to make you think it's over. They're going to try and make you think the bull market's over. It's a buying opportunity, IMO. I mean, I'm not buying. I don't know how many times I got to tell you that, guys. I bought when it was 30,000. The second time around, I bought. My last buys were a long time ago. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Absolute buying opportunity. Yeah, but you got to know when to sell. You got to know when to fold them. You got to know when to buy them. You got to know when to hold them. Willie Gay was a great hype man. Swag surfing. Yo, tell him to play swag surf. We need some swag surf. That's when the season turned around, guys. Willie Gay told the booth to play swag surfing, and the Chiefs beat Cincinnati. They were beating Cincinnati. And that's when the light switch flipped. Don't get me wrong. We got some luck. The Snead play wasn't luck, but it was. The Snead play we looked at. That punt bouncing off. That Niners return team player was a nice little bit of luck. But you can't make mistakes. You can't make mistakes against Kansas City. They hurt you. Over that. Oh my goodness. Look at this thing break. Wow. Wow. That was pretty freaking impressive. I'm not going to lie. 80% of people are insulin resistant. I'm definitely insulin resistant. I want to learn how to reverse it. When you eat sugar, blah, 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 high sugar, process. I don't do any of these anymore. Dad bod, I got that. Sweet cravings, low energy, irritability, yep. Joint pain, all kinds. I just, how do I, let's see, build your meals around protein. All right. Floor support limited. I'm doing all these things. I guess it takes a long time. Oh, I haven't been drinking the apple cider vinegar though. I need to stick to that. $2020 was my first bull run. Me too, bro. Oh, me too, sister. I knew what I knew now. I would have made 50x as much money. Mark Davis. Asshat. Why is this guy showing up on my Twitter? I haven't seen this guy show up on my Twitter in a long time. Mark Davis is an asshat. He's got some courses and shit to sell you. Floki making an important announcement. Keepa was right. I don't know if this is supposed to be sarcasm. I want to. Would I fight Mike Tyson for 10 whole Bitcoin? Fudge, no, bro. 10 years ago, sure. But he hit me once, I'd be dead. Uh-oh. NVIDIA unveils the Blackwell AI super chip. This is supposed to be bearish for Tesla, right? Oh, looks like Meet Kevin's DGen trade came in. He did a trade where he bought some puts on Tesla. I mean, the market's down. 50-50 shot. He got lucky. Find me someone that consistently makes profit buying options. Challenge. I challenge you. Find me someone that makes a living buying premium, buying options. That's all they do. They just buy options and they make a living. Find me someone. Find me someone that makes a living leverage trading. It's not going to happen. All right. Bitcoin continuing to just tank. The cash is at 62, so we might be at 61 unless we win inverted. I'm scared to look at Bitcoin, bros. It's only been a couple minutes. 62.5. It's been a long time since I played golf. I can barely walk to the mailbox. You want me to go play golf? All right, we're crashing, boys. What's ADA? 61. Solana, P5 Bobana, 177. Zavax finally fallen. Yeah, it's over. Bull market's over. I got a message that says I'm not getting. Is my stream jittery? Buffering, buffering. Ricky, you driving? Are you driving, bro? You haven't been saying much. I'm just reading Slack. Nothing going on. Stacy's mom is got it going on. Got a bit of a tension headache. It was a great bull market. Guess what? Yeah, fudge, bro. We should have sold. Shouldn't we sell it all now? Vote what you believe. Don't joke around. AI models can now learn to. Oh, we didn't look at what NVIDIA is doing. Driving in stupid traffic. Is NVIDIA up on this news? No, they're down $30. Someone actually thinks this is the end of the bull market. Are you trolling? They're at 2 trillion market cap. Gee, many Christmas, bro. This is Skynet happening right in front of your eyes. NVIDIA, Tesla, OpenAI. Scary shit, bros. It's part of us becoming a type 1 civilization if we can. But that type 1 civilization we might be dead. And they might be our successors. AI models can now learn and evolve unprecedented with this chip. Is this the Blackwell, a GPU that is just not an upgrade but a giant leap? Does this do anything for gaming? Is this going to be the new 59? Look how big. Which one's which?
You're very good. Good boy.
Is it the smaller one or the bigger one? Is this guy talking?
208 billion transistors, and so you could see, I can see, there's a small line between two dies. This is the first time two dies have abutted like this together in such a way that the two dies think it's one chip. There's 10 terabytes of data between it, 10 terabytes per second, so that these two sides of the Blackwell chip have no clue which side they're on. There's no memory locality issues, no cache issues. It's just one giant chip. And so when we were told that Blackwell's ambitions were beyond the limits of physics, the engineer said, so what? And so this is what happened. And so this is the Blackwell chip, and it goes.
Can we put one of those in my brain, please? Yep, looking forward to Skynet. The singularity is nigh. Scary times. Which is the greatest rivalry of modern era? I don't know. Is that Anderson Silva? Or is that, I don't recognize any. Is that Connor? And that's that Russian bro, right? Who are these people, Ricky? You're driving. You can't tell. I don't freaking. Jason might know. We just hit 8,900. $1.4 trillion pension fund in Japan looking to add Bitcoin. Finally got around to watching Oppenheimer. Ugh. Good for you. Thanks for posting. Oh, David Spade. Thank you for updating. Oh, he's watching. I guess the joke is he's watching it from a distance. Oh, I went from giving him a hard time to giving him a heart. I love David Spade. This is just ridiculous. Let me be the judge of this. Oh, yeah. Carried. You don't call that shit in the NBA. Oh, and he traveled? Oh, my goodness, bro. Okay, so here's a carry.
Look.
Clear carry. And then 1, 2, 3.
I saw too.
3
that
steps.
you pointed out. Shots coming.
A carry and a travel.
Look.
Why even have refs? New Bitcoin and Nvidia compared to gold. Blah. Good morning. If Sol flips ETH, I don't think that's going to happen. It might, actually. Let's see what we got. 387 versus 78. It's unlikely to happen. U.S. judge imposes sanction on SEC for acting in bad faith against. Who cares? Chiefs Twitter was entertained last night. Why? What happened? Are we still talking about Sneed? Meme coins harm the crypto industry. I agree. Benjamin Cohen. I've been saying this. Yeah, I think meme coins are like, how do you regulate it? It can't be the SEC. I guess. I don't know. Like, it needs to be regulated. Like, crypto needs regulation. It's the Wild West, dude. You can't just Or at least there be a governing function like the NASDAQ and the NYSE, I guess. I don't know. People hate that because it's centralized. Well, you know that these companies are under audits and standards. But, I mean, that's capitalism. Caveat emptor. Oh, my face is on fire, guys. I'm gonna do a BP check. This is gonna scare me. I think it's gotta be all time. I think I'm at all-time highs blood pressure. Solana is basically a meme chain. You got that right, brother. Yeah, my sinuses are kind of bad. What makes you... Are yours bad? Like, why did you say that comment out of the thin blue air? $151 over $94. Should I take? I'm gonna take some Advil. This is the season for sinus pressure and pain. I just said Kevin did a good job. Were you not paying attention? That's elevated? No shit. I feel terrible. This market, I don't even give a shit, dude. I barely even think about this market. I'm stressed out over my blood pressure. I'm not stressed out over this market. It ain't. I still do have concerns about blood clots a little bit. Yeah, I'm just doing a little bit of work right now, guys. Anyone got some good techniques to lower blood pressure? Ricky? Kevin trades. He's a... give me a break. You got lucky. 50-50 shot. Again, I would love to see him open his books. I would love to see his overall profit and loss on buying calls. He gets funded by dumbasses like you that pay for his course, that pay for all, they give him money for his dumb rug pull, house hack. The guy's one of the biggest scam artists. He's a smart scam. Like, he knows things. He knows about bonds and Fed rate. He's a smart dude. But he's more like Madoff. He's scamming you out of your money. Madoff was smart. Block breathing 4 in Hold 4 out. There was one we looked at the other day. I'll do that after the stream, see if it helps. I'll try and find that other post too. It was similar. Similar. Need to blah blah. All right, so there's an important CV out on VMware, guys. I'm just helping an engineer out. Two, 330. Where's Dr. Payne? He would understand. Dr. Pizzane. Now I got some potatoes and rust I need to check in on too. Kevin's options trading better than Tom. I have not lost an option trade this year, bitch. Selling options is where it's done. He just buys and they go his no. Another thing he's got going for him is he puts a trade alert out and then people go out and buy it, do the same thing. No, I don't really think Kevin's moving markets. Bro, do you follow all his options trades? Does he post them all? Like, does he win all the time? I'm curious because I don't think he does. I bet he's lost money over the long term buying options. It's less than a 50% chance, bro. Volatility, delta, theta, gamma. Coinbase down 20. Down goes Frazier. Let's check in on Bitcoin. It's trying to make a bounce back. Is this the bull market back on, or is this just dead cat? How low did it get? $62.4. He's not trading. Yeah, he is. Or at least he knows about. I've heard him talk about gamma squeeze. And delta, delta, delta. And theta, theta, theta. Melez in the house. It's over time to invest in stocks and embrace 1% yearly gains. One person thinks it's over. When it's over. I love that song. I don't remember the next line. AT&T had a data breach. Have I been pwned? You're one of 49 million people pwned in the alleged AT&T data breach. Great. When it's over. Is Grayscale dumping? I don't know. Your face is dumping. I mean, why wouldn't Grayscale be dumping? Bitcoin's dumping. What do you think? Grayscale's going up? I don't remember what the Grayscale ETF is. iBit's dumping. Of course, Grayscale's got ridiculous fees. It was dumping when Bitcoin was going up. MicroStrategy's dumping? Probably. Everything's dumping. Shrap's down 18%. That's ugly. How's Pepe doing? Yeah, I should have sold, bitch. Pepe's down massive. I don't even want to look at my Pepe balance. I'm practically broke again. Same mistake I always make. Don't sell. I hate you, Jason. You're ruining my life. Pepe's worth 1,200 still. So I'm up at 3x on that. Are they dumping their BTC? Grayscale buys and dumps based on whether people buy and sell the shares. It's that simple. If people buy Grayscale stock, they buy Bitcoin. If people sell Grayscale, because they gotta hold the asset. I'm still up on my Pepe, bitch. I'm tired. I want to take more caffeine, but I'm afraid my heart will explode. How did you sleep last night, Ricky? I slept like shit. Okay, readiness plus sleep fuel. Dr. Payne in the house. How you doing, brother? You're not selling. I know you tell me every day, bitch. Dr. Pizzane in the house. I think JT's back from the gym. I see the hearts. That's my time. You've been great. You guys, anyone watched Kill Tony last night? He had the bass player from Menudo came up. He didn't know he was the bass player, but he came up and he did like some comedy. It wasn't terrible. And then he played a song that was amazing. Anyone remember Menudo? I bet that was Jason's favorite band growing up. How do you spell it? This is very much like the last bull run. Peak in the spring, real peak later. This is nothing like the last bull run. 130 deep. I beat you on the deep. I got 209 deep, but I didn't get any green. So you get good sleep, bro. That's 6-7 hours. I only got like 6.5. Yeah, so the bass player was on Kill Tony last night. He was great. I think maybe this guy. No. Man, there's been a lot of people in this band. A lot of singers anyway. Ricky Lopez? Is that a famous person? Everyone in this band is a bass player. Ooh. Let's see if I saw no. Ricky Martin. Isn't he famous? I mean, who wasn't a member of Menudo? Abel? Maybe it was this guy. Yeah, I don't know. Ben Cohen is comparing this to 2019. Oh, wow. I don't think so. Man, there's 11 people in the house, 8 likes. You guys are bringing that big dick energy. Why are you guys coming so late? Why are you fools showing up at the end of the show? We're talking about Menudo. Menudo is nasty. Living La Vida Mocha? What's mocha? Hell no, I wouldn't eat Menudo. Your Mexican friends love it? It's tripe. Menudo's tripe. Did you watch the movie Hostage yet? No. I don't have anywhere to watch it. I'll probably never watch it because I'll probably never remember. People have to work. Work. She bang, she move, she what is that, a Menudo song? I'm a bougie mofo. I don't know about all that. I wear hoodies and black t-shirts and I'm bougie. I wear shorts 360. I wear gym shorts 365 days out of the year and I'm bougie. You hit the gym and then you went to the dollar store. Is Bitcoin done dumping? I don't think so, bro. We're going into the 50s. Oh, she bang. I kind of remember that. Was Ricky Martin a member of Menudo? We said, yeah. Is this the famous Ricky Martin? Is he the one that sang "Livin' La Vida Loca"? He sang "Livin' La Vida Loca," right? Is he gay? Yeah. That is wife. What a handsome couple. This guy buys real estate and then sells it for a few million more a few years down the road. He barely made any money on that one. Oh, he lost 4 million on that one. Wait. Yep. Made some on that. The king of Latin pop, blah, 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 blah. I want his hits. What are his hits? Yeah, he's gay. Ricky Martin, greatest hits. La Vida, I like that song. Living La Vida Loca. La Bamba, spelled with an O. She Bangs. I don't remember that one. Do I get a copyright strike? I can edit it out later.
You blow me off like it's all the same.
That sounds terrible.
Talk like she wants. She bangs. Oh, baby.
Ugh.
New kicks in the candlelight. Vida loca.
That one's an okay song. Like, I might not change the radio station if that came on. I probably would. Depending, if I was lazy enough, I might not. If you get a copyright, I gotta cover something now. I've already got 2 headaches right there. I mean, me just saying "Livin' La Vida Loca" is a copyright strike. I sound just like it. Can you even tell the difference? That She Bangs. I kind of remember that being a hit. Just because of what the words are. Oh, Shardy B. That's who I wanted an update from. So he just needed some R&R. You went to the emergency room for just needing some rest. Probably overworked, stressed. I'm the one that needs to go to the ER. On this date, 1990, Depeche Mode released their 7th studio album. That was their 7th? Violator was an amazing album. It's one of my favorite, probably my favorite Depeche Mode album. Enjoy the Silence. Enjoy the Silence. Urgent Care. I don't know. We'll see. Living La Vida Loca. I'm going to do the breathing, see if that helps. Brock, I got a firewall cut over I got to do today. I got to call my dad. I won't because I'm being a little bitch. Yeah, they're just going to, I don't know. I need to strap a heart monitor on my ass. Hi, Bills fans. Anything I should ask Dalton Kincaid? How big his penis is? People, how to change your jaw. He looks so cool with that. What is that? Cigarette or whatever. Is it chewing mastic gum? Oh, I need to get mastic gum. Didn't we read that was good for inflammation? It's good to find. It's hard to find good mastic gum though. Yeah, I do need to adjust my meds. He's 70, maybe 80 now. Somewhere between like 78 and 80. It's older than Andy Reid. 663 million liquidated in cryptocurrency. That's nothing. Win BTC 100K. End of the year. You don't even know if he's still alive? That's sad. Still crashing, boys. All right, I gotta go to work. Work. Yeah. Man with BO. Ooh, Man with BO making a comeback. Please. Let's see how much I'm down on Man with BO. What is today? Tuesday? Feels like. Oh, I'm now down money on my Bork. That can't be right because I put $100 in. Man with BO, I put 127 in, so I'm down big. I don't know, is this in a 24-hour period or something? Yeah, it must be. You know what we're gonna do? See you later. No, see you later. Don't leave yet.
Fuck them. You run this motherfucker. They can't stop you on a fucking Tuesday. How they gonna stop you? How the fuck are they gonna stop you? Get up off the fucking couch, look at yourself in the mirror and just spit at the mirror. Fuck you, cocksucker. I'm going out there to get what's belonged to me. Fuck them.
Look at yourself and spit on yourself.
You run this motherfucker. They can't stop you on a fucking Tuesday. How they gonna stop you? How the fuck are they gonna stop you? Get up off the fucking couch, look at yourself in the mirror and just spit at the mirror.
What are you gonna have for lunch? Same fucking thing I have every lunch. Well, I haven't been eating eggs lately, but maybe I should have some eggs today. Is your big red up? I'm trying to get up the mic. Why are you coming at me with big red? Are you up? You bought $150 a big red? Deck screener seems to be having an issue. I don't even see this chart, bro. What's the symbol? No chill. Memes are out of control on AVAX too. I haven't even checked it. Like, how do you even check it? What's the symbol? B red? Inbred? Enjoy. I don't like shrimp. Grilled tuna might be good, but I don't. Too much work. I don't even have a grill. I have a George Foreman grill. TD? It's on Solana? Why does this say Solana? This chart looks ugly, bro. You bought 4. Is it on Solana? 815? Yeah. I didn't. If it wasn't for this big red conversation, that's how we roll on a Tuesday. I might need to poop again. Are you driving, Jason? Like, why aren't you responding? It is TD. It's on Solana. Yeah, I pooped this morning. Still constipated. Looks like it's up. He's responding. He hasn't responded since TD, bro. I've asked him like 8 questions since then. Is it on Solana? Is it on Avalanche? Looks like it's on Avalanche. It's on ABAX. All right, I gotta go. I got shit. I got shit to do, people to see. I got people to do, shit to see. You'll have a terrific Tuesday. Is it Taco Tuesday? Oh, I love Taco Tuesday. Anyway, I'll catch you tomorrow.